Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a one from the archives. Over 4 years ago, the dismantling of the Earl of Zetland began, a ship that's been part of the Royal Quays Marina, North Shields, for decades. I wanted to share with you the footage I took of the Earl of Zetland final journey as she is dismantled in the marina. Originally built back in 1939 by Hall, Russell and Company in Aberdeen, Scotland, she served as a passenger ferry around the Scottish Isles. She had a long and varied career at sea before eventually being retired and transformed into something totally different. A floating restaurant right here in North Shields. For years, she was a quirky and beloved part of the marina, with locals and visitors alike stopping by for a bite or just to admire her from the quayside. But over time, the old girl started to show her age. The structure began to deteriorate, and after sitting unused for quite a while, it was sadly decided that it was time to take her down. So 4 years ago, I was commissioned to document the dismantling of the Earl of Zetland for the demolition company Mitchell Demolitions. A demolition team moved in and began the slow, careful process of dismantling her. Watching her come apart piece by piece has definitely stirred up some emotions. There's a lot of history in that hull. So today I wanted to take a moment to capture the story of the Earl of Zetland, from her proud beginnings to her final chapter here at Royal Quays. Did you ever visit the Earl of Zetland when it was a restaurant? I'd love to hear your memories. If you're enjoying these videos, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned because there's still so much more to see. Keep watching until the end, you won't want to miss the incredible footage ahead, and if you're enjoying the video, watching all the way through really helps support the channel. Let's dive back in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.